Ủa, không cần vẽ trước.
Modern CNC. This guy can does much better than any CNC machine that I have been using. See, for me, this is the one I cut in my CNC machine. See that? It's a huge draw. But this guy here, man, he can cut without pre-drawing on the wood. He can just go ahead and cut. You just tell him what you want to cut, any name that you like. He just go into and do his thing. Look at that. Isn't that a modern CNC? I mean, much faster than my laser CNC machine. Look at that. So if you ever travel to Phú Quốc, it's one of the island getaway in Vietnam, you can see this guy in action in real time. But for now, this is just a video that I capture on my screen. So if you like to see the original one, I will include the link below, because the original language was in Vietnamese, so it's very hard for you to follow. But I have some English sub in here so that you can see the whole thing. So I urge, if you like this video, try to click onto the original one. I am creating this video just to introduce this guy, artist. Man, it's crazy. You don't know how hard it is for me to just write on a piece of wood. But this guy, he can just, cut through the little piece of wood like butter. I can do it, but I have to do within Fusion 360 and then let the machine cut it through. But this guy here, he just close his eye and he's doing it. Look at that. Crazy. Okay. You can see the link below, alright? Maybe just forward a little bit faster so you can see the result. What's this guy doing? See? See, that's it. See that? See, he got it already. See that? That's it. That's what he did. So please click onto the original video down below. And he has a bunch of stuff there too. Let me see. See this whole collection.